Well, item 22. I'm not pressing it, Manoj. 22.
Gold. Gold.
Sure. Now,
Item number 22.
22.
22. 22. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, on instruction submits that the he be permitted to withdraw the present application. Also, the same is not
Yes.
the same is not objected to by the learned additional public prosecutor. Also, prayer accepted. Bail application stands dismissed on withdrawal. Obliged.
PA, item 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
439 application, Lordship. I am behind the bar for last 21 days due to some illicit act done by others whose name are at page number 11. I am not the name.
You are not the name accused, but in the forwarding, you are the
Yes,
manager of the
yes.
lodge.
I am the manager
And
of the
the
lodge.
girl has said that she was.
I am involved,
No,
Lordship.
no. The girl has
And
said.
the owner of the house, he got this interim.
Owner is immaterial.
There is specific implications.
Implications.
My name is not there in the FIR.
No. In the forwarding, there is enough material brought on record. Let's have the case diary.
And Lordship, this case is fixed on 29/7.
Similar matter is fixed on 29/7. We'll have it.
29/7.
Sorry, yes, 29/7.
Case number is 1842. 1842.
We have it. Nilakanto Pegu.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Uh,
On the same date.
Same date. Done. Heard Mr. G. Chamua, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, call for the case diary. List the matter along with BA number 1842/2024 arising from the same FIR. Also, from the same exam, on 29/7/2024.
Obliged, my lord.
Scan
Please.
copy will be required.
Please,
Scan
Your
copy will
Lordship.
be required.
My lord, there is a 483 bail application, my lord. And I was arrested on 15/8.
484 around.
483.
New.
I was arrested on 15/8/2023, and as on date.
POSCO.
Yes, Lord.
Notice has to go.
And matter has been sursited, Lordship.
I know.
Charges has been framed.
Framed.
Scan copy of PCR may be possible.
Can copy.
And there is an allegation also with regard to another lady about 30 years. There is no separate FIR for that.
Lordship.
This is the only one.
Yes.
Heard
A. Ghoshal.
A. Ghoshal, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also Miss
SH.
additional public prosecutor. Also, the applicant, the petitioner, by way of a petitioner, VIZ Kamal Burman, who is in detention since 16/8/2023, has instituted the present application under section 483 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 for grant of bail in connection with Nunmati PS case number 259/23 under section 354 bracketed A/376 IPC, read with section 4 of the POSCO Act. What is the corresponding case number?
Lordship, special P case number 207,
207/24.
2023, pending before Special Judge POCSO at Kamrup Metro.
Special Judge POSCO. Also, as per contention made in the bail application, The police on completion of investigation has submitted its charge sheet and the petitioner herein was charged under section 6, read with section 12 of the POSCO Act. Full stop. The case is presently pending disposal in special POSCO case number 207/2023 before the learned special judge POSCO Kamrup Metro. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 through the officer in charge, Nunmati Police Station. Also, petitioner to take steps within 3 working days from today. Also, steps to be so issued on or before 17/7/2024.
Lordship.
List this, raised it to also call for the scan copy of the case records of special POSCO case number 207 pending before the Court of the Learned Special Judge, POSCO, Kamrup Metro. List this again on
Lordship, can it be on 29th?
29/7/2024.
30.
Any problem on 29th?
No.
Then
Problem. Yeah, where your lordship will find at page 8. That informant alleged that his daughter was kidnapped, but in fact, lordship will find the FIR itself, which is mentioned on the next day. Father of the present petitioner informed the informant about the incident, lordship, and only allegation is that the father tried to settle because there was also some affair between the girl and the petitioner, lordship. The girl.
then some demand was made from you.
In fact, also
But the fact is that the girl is a minor.
Yes.
but she is recovered. And the parents had informed the informant about the incident, that the girl has come to my
I
house
know.
recovered.
That's your stand.
And
Yes,
today-
madam, what do you say?
Lordship, let us call for a case diary. We'll give short period, Lordship. Can it be on 17th?
What is there?
41 days ago.
What is there? Girl is already recovered.
Otherwise, Lordship.
What is the point in keeping him behind the bus?
Lordship is, since all the 3 accused persons are entangled in the state.
Oh,
See the POCSO.
he is the one.
Lordship.
He is the pioneer.
Lordship.
This is from Karimganj. Can you get the CD?
17, Lordship.
You'll get it.
Yes, Lordship, that is true.
Wait for 2 days.
Lordship,
Reason father was called by the police and he was not arrested.
I know, I've seen it.
17, Lordship.
It's a case for bail. If it was AB, I would have granted you now only. She has been forcefully eloped by FIR accused. That's okay.
On 17.
Heard the Learned Council for the parties. Call for the case diary. In Karimganj PS case number 337/2024 under section 366 bracket of A/506/54. List this matter again on 17/7/2024. Don't take an adjournment.
Lordship.
Man is behind the bars just,
Lordship.
it's a love affair gone soft.
Otherwise, Lordship.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, FIR is at page 7, Lordship. Today is 51 days and out of that 2 days he was in police remand, Lordship.
The recovery of that fake notes,
Lordship.
that no case can be made out.
Lordship,
But that's already there. Children Bank of India.
Children Bank of India, Lordship.
That normally you get it in the shops.
Lordship,
Lordship.
And he says that he's a toy dealer.
Lordship.
But why he came to buy toys in Guwahati, that is
That
the only
another
doubt.
thing, Lordship.
Yes.
Let us, it's converted.
How
only, Lordship.
have you come to buy toys from Guwahati?
Yes.
Huh?
Lordship, he's.
You come from Chhattisgarh, you go to Delhi, you go to
Yes.
Bombay, I understand.
Lordship,
Why have you come to Guwahati?
Lordship, sometimes it gets cheaper price. in
No,
Guwahati.
never.
It's
And
all-
he has some.
I have not,
relatives
I have not seen it. It's costlier. Heard the learned counsel for the parties.
Lordship.
List this matter again on 16/7. Call for the CD. List this matter again on 16/7/2020.
Lordship.
You will have to enlarge him on bail. Nothing is there.
Lordship.
One more day.
Lordship. Okay.
Only on that point. You came to buy in Guwahati. Why?
Item 5. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, CD is already in court number 7, Lordship. Can the after section be amended?
Court number 7
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
is considering.
Yes.
This matter will go there.
Yes.
As per that new.
Yes,
Want it today?
yes.
Let the matter be amalgamated in
Ah.
other cases.
Where it is there.
Yes,
Item number
Item number
Item number
29, 30.
29 and 30.
30.
The learned counsel for the parties have submitted that cases arising from the same FIR
Yes,
is listed as item number 29 and 30 before the coordinate bench sitting today. Also, accordingly,
Seven.
registry to list the present bail application along with the said items before the court
7.
court number
Court,
7.
before the coordinate bench sitting today, after taking due permission from the court. Also, it will take my idea. I'll sign it now.
Come on. Item 6.
Yes, madam. What is here?
Yes.
A civil dispute has been made
Lordship.
into. What is your name?
K. Thakur, Lordship. On
You have been
behalf of
arrested on
Lordship, date of forwarding is 20/06/2020.
26/24, Lordship.
26, right?
Yes, Lordship.
206.
06.
Your name?
K. Thakur, Lordship.
A. Thakur,
K.
learned
Thakur, Lordship.
Huh?
K. Thakur.
K. Thakur, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Miss
SH Bora.
S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondents. Also, the present application has been instituted by the petitioner praying for bail in connection with Gorchuk police station under application under 483 of the Bharatiya Nagrik. It was so sorry.
BNSS.
Praying for bail in connection with Gorsuk police station case number 180/2024 under section 120 bracketed B /420/406/379 IPC. Also, the petitioner was placed under detention in connection with the said case on 20/06/2024. Also, I have perused the materials available on record and on consideration of the fact that the materials purportedly stated to have been stolen have already been recovered from the godown of the petitioner, and also considering the length of detention undergone by the petitioner and there being no further requirement for custodial interrogation, the petitioner is held entitled to be enlarged on bail. Also, in view of the above, the petitioner, Harindra Prasad, is allowed to go on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees. How much? 30,000 or more? 30,000, with a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, to the satisfaction of the
CJM Kamrup.
CJM Kamrup,
Metro.
Kamrup Metro, Lordship.
Kamrup Metro, subject to the following condition. The bail application accordingly stands disposed in terms of the above.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Item 7, Lordship, there is, Lordship, against me, Lordship, there is 3 FIR, Lordship. So other 2, I have already granted bail, Lordship. And in this present instant case, I am already behind the bar since 31 days, Lordship. In this case, I was shown arrested on 10/6/2024.
You were shown arrested, right?
Yes.
But it seems that you have a history now.
Lordship.
Lordship, the
Heard the learning council for the petitioner. Learning council for the parties, call for the case diary. This is from
This is from
Vasistha.
Vasistha PS.
List this matter again on
Maybe.
18/7/2020.
Lordship, bail for co-accused is fixed on 15, Lordship.
15 or, okay. Oh, a similar matter is coming up on 15.
Yes, Lordship.
Then it's 15. Lordship.
In,
Okay. Bail
PA number-
application?
Lordship,
Dilbar Ali,
yes, Lordship.
okay.
1936.
List this, ekun likhwan lage, baki kati diya. List this, register to list this matter again on 15/7/2024, along with bail application number 1936/2024, right?
Highly obliged, me.
Muson, maybe item 8.
Madam, where is the victim girl?
My lord, she is very much with the informant, my lord.
With
No
the informant,
kidnapping took place.
with the informant?
Yes, my lord.
How,
It's
where?
totally false case because.
No, I got it. It's a false case.
Major,
But-
my lord,
but-
22 years.
That's what is, we have seen.
They were
So
having.
366A will not come in. You
Let's
see,
call for the case study, Lordship.
but in the meantime, I'm protecting them.
Yes.
Heard Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also Ms. S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. The present application has been instituted by the petitioner under section 438 CRPC for grant of bail in connection with Katli Sera PS case number 1/2023 under section 365. Actually, that is wrong. It is 366A. You have quoted the wrong provision. In the FIR, page 15, Assamese version, you will find 366A/34. So that is a wrong quotation you made. Under section, we'll quote the original one, but what is there?
Lordship.
366A/34. Also, I have perused the materials brought on record and also considered the contention made by the petitioner that the victim is a major and in this connection has placed on record the Aadhaar card of the said victim. Also, it is further submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the victim is presently with the informant and accordingly there can be no apprehension of he influencing the said witness. Also, if enlarged on bail. Also, considering the above facts, the petitioner, in the event of his arrest, is directed to be enlarged on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 30,000 with surety of like amount, subject to the following condition. Also, 1, the petitioner shall, within a period of 7 days from today, appear before the investigating officer and have his statement recorded, and thereafter shall cooperate with the investigating officer in the manner as may be required from time to time by the said authority. So, Baki shall not induce, influence, able or very much. With the
Lordship,
above,
may I submit, Lordship, whether the victim card has been recovered or not. That is not before us, Lordship.
so I said,
Interim may be granted, Lordship. In the meantime, CD may be called for, Lordship.
you come back. This, I think it's with the thing.
Lordship.
Something come back for cancellation. We are here.
Lordship, Lordship.
Why? Love the affair gone. So,
Lordship, my objection may be recorded.
echoed Madhur Lihiri, Ms. S.H. Bora vehemently opposes the grant of bail to the petitioner herein on the ground that on the ground whether the victim girl has been recovered or not. Also, however, considering the submissions made by Ms. S.B. Chaudhary that the girl is with the
Lordship.
informant, the said objection is not considered.
Highly
yes.
obliged, Lordship.
So you are also safe now.
Lordship.
Item 9.
May I please, your lordship? The 438 application, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, actually, my lord, juvenile in conflict with law, my
Ah,
lord.
so where is the question of arrest of a juvenile?
My lord,
For 438 to come in,
my lord.
there has to be an arrest. But juvenile cannot be arrested.
But I have, my lord, one
The
judgment
word
from-
used in section 12 or section 15 is
I have
apprehension.
one judgment from Bombay High Court.
Mumbai High Court,
My
forget
lord,
it, I'm not
The
persuaded.
Honorable Supreme Court's judgment have been discussed here, my lord.
Show me. Yes, what do you say?
My lordship's coordinate bench, my lord, some orders are there that AB not maintainable.
AB is not maintainable.
kindly
According to
download,
me, AB is not
My
maintainable.
lord, from para 24, my lord. Kindly, sir. My lord,
And Mr. Counsel, Supreme Court has not yet decided.
yet
It's
decided.
already
that is
pending.
that is
Pending.
my lord. But here, my lord, page para 24, my lord, kindly. see. My lord, Sushila Agarwal has been decided, my lord,
Ah,
discussed, my lord, and my lord, thereafter 27, para, my lord.
No, we'll provide for.
Limited prayer, my lord, I will appear before the JJB. In the meantime, my lord, I may be protected, my lord. This is division bench judgment. my lord. Para 23 also, my lord, Gurbakh Singh has been discussed.
I got it,
Right.
but very reasonable. But my question is, the learned bench has gone with the view that the provisions of Juvenile Act would come in after the apprehension is made
Right.
of the juvenile. But my question is, if the juvenile cannot be arrested, then 438, how will it come in?
That is why, my lord, 438, because my lord, there is an
This is
apprehension.
just using the powers of the court. This has been done.
Right.
But 438 is very clear. When you are arrested, because you apprehend an arrest,
My lord.
and a juvenile can never be arrested. Even if he is detained, he will be put to the reform
That
home.
is- that is
Right?
why,
And that is not arrest.
by the police, my lord.
That is not arrest.
That is why, my lord, I want to appear before the, my lord, JJB, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, I may be protected.
We will not say anything. We will say that you want to withdraw it, we withdraw it. We will say that even if you are apprehended, in your case,
My lord,
if the arresting authority is satisfied that you are a juvenile,
my lord.
then he will proceed under the Juvenile Protection Act 2015.
Lord.
Will that do?
But as per this judgment, my lord, it is, my lord, maintainable, my lord.
I'm Bombay persuading value. I'm not persuaded. Or if you want, you can try it on the normal benches if you want. On 15th, 16th, I can get this matters listed.
My lord,
I don't want to disturb you.
my lord, my lord.
But my view,
My lord,
this is not
my lord.
maintainable.
On 17, my lord, kindly.
I tried to convince myself
My
yesterday.
lord,
I could not.
my lord.
You have item number 9 and
9
10.
and 10,
9
my
and
lord.
10,
Sir, my
my
lord.
9 and 10, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, raised it to list this matters again on 16,
17, my lord.
17, 7, 2024.
Oblast.
Item 11.
But think from this lines also that whether that 438 arrest, apprehension of arrest, and that apprehension not being there if you are a juvenile, whether it will come in. That aspect has not been examined by the Bombay. I'll go through this. I'm keeping this copy. Hima?
11.
May I please your lordship? Lordship is a 482 bail application, lordship. And allegation upon me is section 120B, 419, 465, 468, 471 of.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Lordship,
At this number,
Get him. Get his signatures. Get him before you. I'm
Okay.
allowing him to come before you. Get his signatures.
yes,
Yes,
my
sir.
lord, I will, but Lordship, just I point out one order of the Honorable trial court, my lord.
Trial court, I've seen.
Ultimately,
I've seen.
because there are some intimidating measures against the.
I got it. We are giving him an interim.
Yes,
You get the CD
noted.
and we'll ask him to appear before you.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, he is absconding. How will you take the matter forward? He'll not even come before you. Heard, mister?
Lordship, I am a 22 years college student, Lordship. I am pursuing my master
Baba,
diploma.
I'm giving you.
Yes. Interim.
Huh? Your name.
Ardas.
Heard, Mr. Ardas, learned counsel for the petition, and also Mr. So-and-so additional APP appearing for the state. The present application has been instituted by the petitioner under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samiti. Janane? Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samita. Ito arita kun thik ba 2023 praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Dispur PS case number 1042/2023 under section 120 bracketed B/419/465/468/471 IPC. Full stop. I have perused the materials available on the court. Full stop. The petitioner is not the named accused. However, the for due consideration, the case diary would be relevant, would be required to be perused accordingly. The case diary be accordingly call for the case diary, fix case diary, full stop. In the interim, considering the submissions made in the present bail application, comma, in the event of arrest of the petitioner, he is directed to be enlarged on bail of rupees 20,000 on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 20,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, comma, subject to the following condition. 1, the petitioner herein shall appear before the investigating officer within a period of 7 days from today and have his statement recorded. Full stop. They have a statement recorded. Full stop. Baki hai normal figure tha gaya ma. That year ko bana lage. Kita baki witnesses of brigade ko bana lage. But talo very go masai.
Lordship, my
Pick
one line
on-
submission.
Huh?
My one line submission
What?
regarding this matter that the learned trial court.
Mr. So-and-so additional PP has vehemently opposed the grant of bail, the prayer of the petitioner for being granted interim protection. Also, however, considering the fact that the petitioner is not a named accused and the investigation in the matter may have by now proceeded to a reasonably satisfactory stage, comma, it is of the this court is of the considered view that the case diary statement the case diary is required to be perused. Accordingly, call for the case diary. Interim fixed on
9th of August.
why?
Since my lord interim is given.
Oh,
there
why?
are other-
We'll take it further. If there is something, we cancel it. Yeah, last of all, 31st. It's from Dispur only,
Yes.
31st.
Lordship,
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item 12.
my pleasure, lordship.
Minor,
Yes, Lordship.
438.
Yes, Lord.
Not applicable. I have fixed two matters when
17.
17. This will also go to 17.
Lordship.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner and not objected to by the additional public prosecutor, list this matter again on 17/7.
I am obliged.
Item 13.
May I please, Lord? She's,
Girl has come back to the house.
yes, Lord, on the same day,
Hmm.
they went to Nogao.
Uh-huh. Yes.
My lord.
366A and attracted, but why keep him? What will it do by having his custodial interrogation? Nothing.
Lords. But FIR, my lord, as per the FIR, my lord, it said that we could not get any information till now.
No, that is it. That is at 11 o'clock.
Yes.
So Mr. Sharma has very cleverly written that the girl returned in the evening. So he has seen the FIR. Get the CD.
Okay, this-
Hey, okay. Application AK Sharma. দুটাই নাম লিখি ল'ব। তাৰপিছত আপোনাৰ application under section 480
480.
এই ভাৰতীয় এইটো Act 2024 praying for PRS bail in connection with Doboka PS case number 107/2024 under section 366A IPC. So, on perusal of the materials brought on record, it is seen that the petitioner has contended that the victim girl has been recovered and is presently staying with the informant. So, in view of the above, in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with the aforesaid case, he be enlarged on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 15,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following condition. 1. The petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer and have his statement recorded within a period of 7 days from today.
7 days.
List this matter again on.
Lord, from Hosai, my lord.
Give me a date.
Yes, the first week of August, my lord.
List
Second,
this matter
second.
on 2/8,
2nd August.
2/8/2024.
Deeply applied.
For the timing, Lordship.
Why?
Youngest advocate is in court number 7.
Anyway, our POCSO matter notice has to go.
That's it. This is, so read the FIR.
No. No.
So the story starts from class 9,
Yes.
10, 11, 12. 3 years, no problem. All of a sudden, and there is a cross FIR also, that he was attacked. Get your CD, we'll protect him. Yes, what is your name?
J.I. Mondal, Lordship.
Huh?
J.I. Mondal.
J.I. Mondal. Heard Mr. J.I. Mondal, learned counsel for the petitioner. Baki ekke thakibo, khali tumi likha. In connection 482, Sanita, Bharatiya Naya, in connection with Sukhchar PS case number 40/2024 under section 354 bracketed B/509/506 IPC, read with section 8 of POSCO Act. Also, call for the case diary of the aforesaid case along with the case diary in connection with
Sir, PS case number.
subsecond that filed by him, filed by his elder brother.
One is 39,
Now, presently, we are considering bail in
40.
40, along with Sukhchar PS case number 39/2024. Also, in view of on consideration of the materials brought on record in the bail application, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner at this stage is entitled to be enlarged on interim bail, interim pre-arrest bail. Accordingly, in the event of arrest of the petitioner herein, he shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 15,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the shall be enlarged on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 15,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions. Okay, appear before the in the 7 days. List again on
My lord, 5th of August.
5th of August.
My lord, my objections may be recorded since my lord say minor, my lord, hard consent perhaps may not be a concept.
Obliged,
So,
Lord.
that is. So it
I am
may be-
not on consent
Yes.
at this stage.
Yes.
Only whether his custodial interrogation is required. It's not required.
My submission.
Okay. You get the CD. If something is there, we will see.
Plus.
Why just keep him?
It is just possible for timing. Lordship. Mr.
Why?
Senior Advocate Mr. Shawal Kumar will appear. He is just for few minutes, Lord.
15.
15 minutes. Okay.
Item 16.
You are appearing for whom?
15 melody, your lordship, adjourn it.
No.
Time.
The time being.
Time.
My lord,
You
I
have-
am on behalf of the informant.
College.
His lordship seen the FIR.
I've seen the FIR, but you had these materials before you from a long time. Why, after the writ petition was filed, this FIR is lodged?
My lord, the read petition was filed, but then there's the order of
Pre-5, the order was issued.
order of the honorable court is there, the college, they can take a decision in accordance with
And
the
see,
law.
you have mentioned in the FIR that he is dismissed, but I don't find any dismissal order.
Dismissal order by the college.
Huh?
It is there.
Where?
He has been dismissed recently.
Recently. Recently. Fine.
My
You
lord, he
proceed.
was asked for appearing.
These are all documentary evidences. You have the evidences why his
My lord, your lordship.
custodial interrogation is required.
Yeah, custodial interest, that's the reason, my lord, your lordship, kindly see the CD and thereafter your lordship. can-
I'll protect him. CD.
My lord, protection at this stage, my lord.
Protect him
this
and
person-
CD.
This person is absconding. He ought to have appeared before
He-
the IO.
He did not appear before you in the proceedings.
No, he did not come. He said, I have filed a writ petition, therefore I am not coming. My lord, there is,
That is that he has committed a
my lord,
blunder.
in this sort of.
He has
cases,
committed a blunder.
my lord, your lordship kindly see his conduct. Now, your lordship will see that in the why he did not appear before the.
I have gone through that. I'll not express my opinion, but I've gone through that.
Now,
Not very,
in these sort of cases, the allegations are, your lordship kindly see here, librarian has been appointed in the year 2015.
I got it. You
After
knew
you-
about these things from a very long time. Why were you keeping mum?
It came up now, my lord, when the, your lordship, the person, he has swallowed the entire amount.
Fine.
Even
He
after
will.
that,
Now, Mr. You have proceeded against him.
yes.
You have come to a conclusion that he has
Yes.
misappropriated this amount. File a civil suit against him for recovery.
Therefore, my lord, is it is a allegation
No,
of
no.
criminal nature.
Let it be. Criminal nature will take its own course. But now that you have
Case of-
everything with you, what would be a custodial interrogation do now?
Obviously, my lord, he has to answer all that.
What
because
he will
has
answer
committed fraud,
need not.
defalcation, criminal breach of
Right.
trust.
He will suffer. Let the police proceed. He will cooperate. But by custodial interrogation, you can't extract that money from him.
No,
Can-
money
then-
is secondary. When the criminal intent is there, it will.
I
have
had
to
a
be-
doubt. But
Lord,
maybe now
Your
it's,
lordship has seen how much money he has swallowed
let him,
for such a long time.
let him.
Therefore, interim protection at this stage, he.
I'll
These
I'll
sort
give
of
a,
cases.
I'm sorry, Mr. Datta, I'll have to reject your thing. I'll give a interim protection. We'll call for the case diary. On that day, we
My
will see.
lord, it will be premium to him. My lord, I can say this much only. Because.
And
these
that
are-
premium, if it is a premium, it is a gift from you.
I.
It's a gift from you because you had this
My lord, supposing
thing.
we are at fault.
No, you had
supposing
this
we are
at,
at
no,
fault.
I'm not on, I'm
My
only
lord,
on the timing.
Whether this sort of.
Mr.
criminal-
He will not, I'm not absolving him from the criminal proceedings. I'm
Mhm.
only giving him protection from the custodial interrogation. He will have to appear before D. I'll put strict conditions. He'll have to appear within 7 days before DIU.
That your lordship.
I'll do that. I'll not give him a free bill. If I do that,
Otherwise, my lord, these talks of.
I'll have him before D. I'll have his
Today he
statement recorded.
Today he is here, tomorrow he will be, my lord, your lordship.
I know,
other-
but
Other side of the
and
country.
I'll also put it that he will not leave the area without permission from the
Otherwise,
complainant.
what else? Karimganj to Bangladesh is, my lord, one mile.
One.
So very easy to go there and nobody can catch him. That's the thing is going to happen.
Okay, fine. Okay, he is behind the bars. 90 days. He'll come out. He can go do the same thing then also.
But then
But
why?
my
why
only question is whether any custodial integration is required. Mr.
Lord,
Doctor, as a
allegation-
senior,
Allegation. your
as
lordship
an
will see.
officer of the court and a senior counsel, you tell me.
My lord-
What material would come out in a
My lord, huh? Petition to go- FIR. Your lordship, can you see the FIR? Is 14. At page, my lord, 17, the relevant part,
page?
page 17. my lord. Para 1, your lordship, can you see? That
I've seen it. I've seen it.
accused Kabir Ahmed was holding the charge of principal, Karimganj Law College. One Maniruddin, he is the librarian, Ansari, was appointed, shown to have been given appointment as librarian in June 2015,
Okay.
though he never attended.
You
the
are paying
college.
for? Huh? Oh, you're PP. When can you get the CD?
My lord, right. On 19th?
19th.
19th.
Heard Mr. Heard Mr. Z. Kama, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. ABT Hawk, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
RR Kosi.
R.R.
Kosi.
Kaushik, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor appearing for the state. Also heard Mr. S. Dr. Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the informant.
Right.
Also,
My lord, I am assisted by Mr. P. Kotoki.
Assisted by Mr. P. Kotoki, Learned Counsel appearing for the informant. Mr. Kotoki,
Yes, well.
give an entry.
No,
Get
no,
that
The
and
conduct
get
is
that.
not very good. Your
Huh?
lordship, college money has been.
With any
spoken.
state
Yes,
condition.
yes, yes.
And you knew that from a long time when you were sitting over it.
Being a principal.
My only question is why after
And
filing of the
there is a
requisition?
delay.
Not the
doesn't-
delay, the timing.
And he's not already, he's out of service and
Let it be. He's.
Your lordship, can you see the page 8?
They are the authority, lordship.
The amount,
Nothing. Now that you have completed the disciplinary proceeding, you must have quantified therein in the inquiry report. This must have been quantified.
that's in civil in nature.
No,
That's a
that has been
different thing.
quantified. Proceeding is still. We will ensure that he is not leaving
It is
India.
obvious, but then in regard to criminal intent, my lord, I am only on that.
We'll ask him to appear. Don't worry.
I will-
Full stop, so and so, so and so. The present application has been instituted by the petitioner, praying under section 438 of the Criminal Procedure Code. No, 482 of the BNSS, so and so, praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Karimganj Police Station case number 434/2024 under section 409/420/468/471 of the IPC. Also, I have a call for the case diary. Also, I have perused the materials brought on record in the matter and also heard the learned counsel for the petitioners, learned counsel appearing for the parties. I've also considered the objections raised in the matter by Mr. S. Dr. Learned Senior Counsel, praying for a rejection of the prayer of the petitioner for interim protection. Also, on a consideration of the factors of the materials brought on record, comma, this court is of the considered view that the matter, that given the nature of the allegations, perusal of the case diary would be called for, and accordingly, the case diary be called for to be produced before this court on the next date of listing. Full stop. On consideration of the materials, comma, in the interim, it is provided that the petitioner, in the event of his arrest in connection with the aforesaid case, shall be released on pre-arrest bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 50,000 to the 50,000 along with two sureties of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following condition. 1, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer within 7 days from today and thereafter shall continue to appear before the investigating officer on every week on a day to be so fixed by the investigating officer. Full stop. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the, which would be the court?
Karimganj, please.
Before jurisdiction of the learned CJM, Karimganj, without prior permission from the said court. Full stop. Baki gita? Full stop. List this matter again on 19. Mr. Kaushik, 19? 19/7/2020.
Obliged.
Item 16.
Wait, your, well, look, this is registered under section, well, look, this case under 482 of the new act, Bharatiya Nagarik Sureksha Sanhita, my lord. FIR is, my lord, registered under section 325, 307, 75 of the Juvenile Justice Protection and Care Act, my lord.
Yes,
It's a
Mr.
T-shirt,
Kaushik, what is this? It's a mistake.
Mistake, grave mistake, my lord. There is no such provision under this act.
75 is there, but the other two will not be there.
Yes. Well, is the teacher, this student was writing bad things in the desk, my lord. Then
You
what
also went overboard. When we were kids, teachers had the liberty to beat us because they had that moral standard.
Yes, yes.
And nowadays that liberty is not there.
Not there, my lord. Some in Upper Assam, what happened, my lord, in one school, your lordship knows. This is the situation now.
Yes. Get a clarification on this.
Well,
In the meantime, we are protecting you. Heard Mr. R. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Kaushik, learned additional PP, appearing for the state respondents. The petitioner, by way of instituting the present application under section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. A bottom page of the 2023 or 2024? It's 23 has prayed for pre-arrest bail in connection with Mukalmua PS case number 168/2024 under section 325/307/75 of the Juvenile Justice bracketed Care and Protection of Children bracket over Act 2015 bracket or dibo eta box khulibo SIC bracket over also on consideration of the materials brought on record and also the provisions against which the petitioner has been charged not being found not being charged being and also noticing that the sections against which the petitioner has been charged being so done in on account of a misconception in the matter, comma. This court is of the view that the case diary in the matter is required to be perused accordingly. Call for the case diary. Full stop. In the interim, in the event, full stop. In view of the above position, in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with the aforesaid above noted case, it is provided that the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 10,000, 15,000 with like with surety of, with a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority along, subject to the following condition. One, the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer and have his statement recorded within a period of 7 days from today. So, বাকিখিনি একে থাকিব যে আপোনাৰ ৰিচিভ কৰিব নালাগে ৰিচিভ কাকো প্ৰেছাৰ দিব নালাগে এডটাত আছে লিষ্ট দিছ মেটাৰ এগেইন অন
37.
37 2024
Obliged.
Item 17.
Yeah, please, Your Lord. The petitioner. Your
Mr.
Lordship-
Bora Bothagur,
Lordship-
when were you released on bail in the
Lordship, that Your Lordship,
yeah, I
long
didn't
back,
find
Your
the date here anyway.
Lordship, I am, You know. The third one, it was in the, by the trial court itself, Your Lordship, I was granted.
Just give me the date.
Lordship. He was Your Lordship. On three, Your Lordship, on 3/9, Your Lordship.
3920.
3/9, she was arrested, Your
Ah.
Lordship. At the time of filing of the charge sheet, Your Lordship, she was in fact in custody, Your Lordship, after death. এইখিনি দিয়া আছে। এইখিনি যে এইখিনি কাগজ দিছিলে তেওঁলোকে। Your Lordship, that was. I'm giving also, I have. এই কাগজখিনি যে দিছিলে সার্টিফিকেট কপিখিনি। 5/12, Your Lordship.
512.
Lordship.
Okay, now things fall into place. Yes,
My lord, FIR, my lord.
very serious thing. You get 10 rounds of live bullets
Yes, my lord.
from her. But this you got on month of November itself. And you then say that you went for clarification from her earlier places of posting.
Yes.
The reports, as per your own forwarding, came in the month of November only.
No.
Why did you wait till 2nd of January 2024 to lodge that FIR?
My lord, that thing CD will reveal, my lord.
Ah.
If-
Heard Mr. S. Bothakur, learned counsel for the petition, and also Mr. Kaushik, learned additional public prosecutor, appearing for the state respondents. The petition has been instituted, Baki ase na, under 482, Sanhita,
Lordship.
praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with CID police station case number 1/2024 under section 25 bracketed 1-A of the Arms Act 1959. So, given the nature of allegation, this court is of the considered view that the case diary is required to be perused before considering the final relief to be granted to the petitioner hearing. Accordingly, call for the case diary. Full stop. On perusal of the materials brought on record and also considering the delay in filing the FIR against the petitioner herein, this court is of the view that in the event, this court, full stop. This court hereby provides that in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with the aforesaid case, above noted case, she shall be enlarged on bail on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 50,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following condition. One, appear before the investigating officer within 7 days, not to leave the jurisdiction of the CJM,
Yes.
Kamrup Metro, without prior permission. List this matter again on.
My lord, 19, my objection may be recorded, my lord. here.
I'll have to
Because,
say
my
many
lord,
things. That'll go against the final thing. I've said.
my lord,
it is
because,
there.
During earlier occasion.
See,
earlier
I'm
cases also-
Mr. Kaushik, one thing.
Yes, my lord.
That's why I asked for the date when she was enlarged on bail.
Yes, that is there, my lord.
See, November you had the materials. Why do you wait till 2/1 to lodge an FIR?
That's why, my lord, we require a CD and.
That's what I said. If I say many, I'll have to go into the merit. Let's not do that. Let's not prejudice your case. Let it be there. You get the CD. If there is something, we will recall our order.
That's
This
Because
is only an ad interim order.
earlier cases.
Earlier case,
Our conduct was not. good,
see,
madam.
Mr. Then you will have to, then I'll have to come in again.
Yes, madam.
First search operation on 10th.
Yes.
Second on 11th. From 10th to 11th, the property was with you.
Yes.
On 10th, you did not find it. You changed the magistrate. Another magistrate comes. From where did it? There is no explanation why you missed it out on 10th. So let me not go into that.
Deeply obliged.
She may have something, you may have something, but get that CD and do it. We'll do it in a proper manner.
19-7.
Hold on. List again on
19-7.
19-7.
Item 18.
May I please, Your Lordship? Madam, at this CD along with PM report may be called for. These are the two allegations.
Very cleverly said. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner. Given the nature of the allegations leveled against the petitioner hearing, this court is of the view that the case diary is required to be perused along with the postmortem report of the victim. So accordingly, call for the case diary along with the postmortem report. List the matter again on
22nd.
22/7/2020. Highly obliged.
Item 19.
May it please your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this anticipatory bail is filed against the petitioner in the Charidwar police station. The case is already being charge sheeted, lordship, and there are also judgments where the honorable court has granted interim to the accused persons, even after charge sheet. And there is no material of 307 also, lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kaushik.
Since it is a structured matter, my lord, scan copy may be called for because we don't have anything with us. Or then, my lord, the petitioner can appear before the court below.
Why don't you appear? We'll provide you. Appear. This is pending before the. It will be triable by the court of CJM only.
Yes.
It is pending before additional session judge Sonitpur.
Additional session judge. No. That is you had filed an application under 438 before that at all.
Yes.
I don't think so. It's pending before. It should be before CJM, Sonitpur. PRC case number. It's PRC case.
Yes.
Number 134. And these are not sessions which are triable by session court.
Yes.
Right?
CJM, yes.
These are by the CJM only. When can you get this? When can the scan copies come? How long does it take?
My lord, it will be called by the registry. My lord.
How long does it take?
Because scan copy will be called, it can come anytime.
We'll have it next week, next Friday. We'll call for the scan copies and then we'll consider. Because you are said to be an absconder. We just want to know. And there are notices being,
Investigating officer.
there were notices also issued to you. You have not appeared. Only then you filed this application only on 27/5/2024.
They were not at all.
Why don't you appear? Why don't you appear before you? The session court has also given you that liberty to appear. We'll say appear, consider.
Okay, lordship, we will appear.
But Miss
A. Bora.
A. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also Mr. Kaushik, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondents. The present application has been instituted, praying for grant of pre-arrest bail in connection with Saridwar PS case number 191/23, 2023 under section 143/325/379/307 IPC corresponding to PRC case number 134/2024 pending before the court of the learned CJM Sonitpur Tezpur. Also, as stated, as revealed from the materials brought on record, the police, on completion of investigation in had submitted his charge sheet in PRC number 134/2024 on 31/12/2023 against the petitioner herein, and the petitioner herein has shown as an absconder. Also, the petitioner had moved an application under section 438 CRPC before the additional session judge bracketed FTC Sonitpur Tezpur, and the same on consideration was rejected by order dated 27/5/2024, requiring the petitioner herein to appear before the trial court. Also, however, apprehending arrest, the present proceedings have been instituted. On a consideration of the submissions made in the matter by the learned counsel for the parties, and also on consideration of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the parties, learned by the parties in the proceeding, this court is of the view that as the charge sheet has already been filed in the matter, the apprehension of the petitioner that he may be arrested is without any basis, inasmuch as no further custodial interrogation would be called for in the matter. However, the petitioner must satisfy the learned trial court that he would not evade from the proceedings of the trial and would be participating in the trial on a regular basis. Also, accordingly, in view of the above position, this court hereby directs the petitioner to approach the learned trial court with an appropriate application praying for bail, and on such application being filed, the learned trial court shall enlarge the petitioner on bail with suitable conditions. As
Line of court below shall consider as per law, my lord. Because we don't know what is the material there.
what is there? Nothing is there. Shall release the petitioner on bail with conditions which would ensure his participation in the trial proceedings. Right? With the above observations, is it a wrong order to be passed? I'm asking you as a counsel.
No, it's not. Usually, my lord, as per law, the order pass.
Okay. Bail nalage. The learned trial court shall consider the same on merits and shall dispose of the same as per law. Full stop. In the event, full stop. However, if the petitioner is granted bail, the same should be with conditions ensuring the participation of the petitioner in the trial proceedings. Also,
Item 20.
Obliged lordship. May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, 482, your lordship, of BNSS application, your lordship. Your lordship, the FIR is at page number 11. It was not so clear, your lordship, so I am taking another copy of the FIR which is clear, your lordship.
Madam, we believe your translation.
The translation is there, your lordship, that the vernacular page is not clear, your lordship, so I am taking one more copy, your lordship. Here also the case is that, your lordship, the 6 numbers of unknown persons topic track.
You are not the
No,
person
no,
involved
no.
in that. You are the person who have brought the
Stolen.
Bought
cattle.
Yes,
cattle,
yes.
and you return, you say you
Handed over, your lordship.
will dispose it of. Heard Miss
G. Bora, lordship.
G. Bora, learned counsel for the petitioner. I also heard Mr. Mr. Kaushik, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondents. The petitioner has instituted the present proceedings under the provisions of section 482 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, praying for grant of pre-arrest bail to the petitioner in connection with Tezpur Police Station case number 356/24 under section 395/411 of the IPC, read with section 11 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 and section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021. Also, I have heard the learned counsel for the parties and also peruse the materials brought on record. So, on a consideration of the matter, the petitioner is found to be the purchaser of the 19 buffaloes involved in the FIR. So filed 19 buffaloes in question in the FIR, so filed in the matter. So, it is the contention of the petitioner that on coming to learn about institution of the said police case, he on his own had returned the buffaloes to the Tezpur police, to the concerned authority of the Tezpur police station. Also, considering the above position, considering the above contentions of the petitioner, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner is entitled to be enlarged on bail in the pre-arrest, is entitled to be extended with the benefit of pre-arrest bail in the matter. Accordingly, it is directed that in the event of the arrest of the petitioner in connection with the above noted case, he shall be enlarged on bail, on furnishing, on pre-arrest bail, on furnishing a bail bond of rupees 15,000 with a like surety, with a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following condition. 1, that the petitioner shall appear before the within 7 days or kaku mane dissuade no pare disposed. Dispose of.
Thank you.
For bail hearing, BA, item 21.
Wait, please, also. It's a withdrawal bail application, my lord. As of now, it's coming 41 days in jail, my
My
lord.
lordship, item number 21 and 34 may be taken up together.
Together, yes.
So what is one? Follow, my lord. So,
What is that?
There are sufficient material, my lord. At this stage, I oppose it.
my lord, main accused, those who are accused number 1 and 2. Well, they were granted bail by the learned additional session judge number 5.
You also appear.
Only after detaining 19 days in jail.
You go. You also appear. Why are you before me?
No, my lord. I came to know regarding this order on 7th of this month.
So we
Bail
withdraw this
granted
and go there.
On 19/6. On 19/6, my lord.
Certain kind of food for which the present accused persons came from Tripura. You're from Tripura?
No, my lord.
Then,
The main accused number 1 and 2. They are from Tripura.
Tripura.
They are from Tripura.
No, regarding accused number 1 and 2, Lordship, although the my lord, as per the Caesar list, the currency has been, currency not fake currency, not they have been seized from all the three accused persons. But Lordship, these accused persons, they came from Tripura, Lordship, in connection with some, my lord, that is called, ginger was, they came to my lord to bring some, ginger, my lord. But as far as this accused person is concerned, my lord, the currency note has been recovered from his possession, my lord. And it is still, my lord, some other accused person yet to be arrested, my lord. Police is searching them.
No, 5 accused persons already arrested. All these 4 accused persons released by the land of passenger. I have ordered my lord. All the 4 accused.
Five.
5 arrested,
4 release.
4 released. That is the one more order, my lord. 4 released. my lord.
No, at this stage, I am opposing because, and my lord, FHL report is yet to collect.
Oh,
Let it
really?
come on, my lord, 16 or 17, my lord. Next week, my lord.
There
What is that?
Another order, my lord. Ismail Ali, he's arrested.
And why was that owner, house owner, wherein this transaction was taking place,
Yes.
not arrested? It
No,
is
sir.
not said that it was in some room of that house. It said thus. Where?
Next week, my lord, that is why. Today is
All these
41 days, my lord.
Person were arrested.
See,
They-
41 days, what, why,
No.
what further custodial
The
interrogation?
question is that.
He's in judicial custody. What
Yes.
further custodial
The
interrogation
question
do you
is
want?
that, my lord, from his position, my lord, this fake currency note has been
That
recovered.
has
my
been, that your FIR says from all,
From all, yes.
from
No,
all.
although from all, my lord, but these other 2 persons also, they have from Tripura, lordship. They came to my lord to bring some, my lord, ginger, my lord.
No, fine. Where is that?
I've
Your
submitted for the
affidavit says, it is found that the accused persons possessed and set fake Indian currency for using these as genuine Indian currency notes. It is equal to all the 3.
My lord, although equal, as per the FIR, my lord, also.
Sitrang Riang has been enlarged.
Yes, my lord.
And Al-Sarang Riang has been enlarged.
Yes, my lord.
And who is the other one?
There was Ismail Ali. He was arrested on the basis of the statement made by the co-accused, my lord. Mainul.
Oh,
Mainul, that there were also 2, Abdul Ghafoor and Ismail. They are not named in the FIR. They were arrested. They are also released. Abdul Ghafoor released on 28/6.
now tell me, you are now an expert here, it seems.
My lord,
This
lordship,
line of business. Now we go back, you will not go back to that line. What is the guarantee?
Oh, that is my lord. That I can only assure this honorable court, my lord. That my lord, consider federal custody, my lord, would not be required, my lord.
Yes,
Yes,
Mr. Sama.
my lordship, may kindly payros, my lord, after this, if lordship grant bail, lordship, I'll have no objection, my lord.
How many days under custody?
41 days, man.
41 days and 90 days offense, my lord. 90 days offense.
90 days offense.
Name
So half the period done.
Not half, my lord.
Too many accused, my lord, they are from people they were released.
Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel for the learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent submits that he be given 2 days time to place the make his submissions on the basis of the case diary so received by him. Accordingly, he prays that the matter be listed on 16th,
16, my lord.
16/7/2024. Full stop. Prayer accepted. List this matter again on 16/7/2024.
My lord,
Both
both the item, my lord,
21
and
and 34.
34.
Apuni 34 লিখিব. List this matter again on 16/7/2024 along with BA 1839/2024. Take this back, Mr.
My lord. 23, my lord, we have not received the case diary today.
Lordship, last 67 days I'm behind the bar and maximum.
You will remain for more. Another 4 weeks you are going to remain behind bars. Why have you not taken steps for service of notice on respond number 2?
Lordship, what happened, Lordship, another counsel is there whose mother is seriously ill, Lordship, and he was busy to bring her medical.
Your
She was-
Mohri is not there.
Lordship.
You yourself do the filing also.
Lordship.
Then those
Lordship.
please don't not before this.
Lordship, default by Lordship.
Take steps.
Lordship, default by Lordship.
Nothing doing. Respond number 2, you have not taken steps. I'll not even come in. You want an adjournment, take an adjournment. If it is me, I'm going to direct you another 4 weeks time.
Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship, as per instruction.
Huh?
I may be allowed to withdraw, Lordship.
Withdraw
Lordship.
on the prayer of Mr.
Yes, Ali, Lordship.
S. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, who on instructions prays that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ application. Same is not objected to by the learned additional public prosecutor. So accordingly, the prayer is accepted and the bail application stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Item
Oblige,
24.
Lordship.
My lord, 24 charge sheet submitted, my lord.
Charge sheet submitted. Then
Charge-
appear.
Charge sheet number 110/2024, dated 29/6/2024.
You appear before you make an application before the Mr. B. Sharma, learned counsel for the learned additional public prosecutor has submitted.
RJ Borwal.
RJ Borwa. RJ Borwa, sorry. RJ Agote B. Sharma likhi asilu de kiba RJ Borwa, learned counsel for the petitioner. No, learned additional public prosecutor submits that the police, on completion of investigation in connection with Azara PS case number 96/2024 under section 326/307 of the IPC, has submitted its charge sheet, being charge sheet number
110/2024,
110/2024 before
dated 29/6/2024.
or dated 29/6/2024 before
My lord, before my lord, CGM Kamrup, my lord.
before the court of the learned CGM Kamrup Metro. Kamrup
No, my lord, Kamrup, my lord.
Kamrup Metro or rural?
No, Kamrup, my lord.
Kamrup.
Azara PS, my lord.
Kamrup rural. Kamrup. Full stop. Accordingly, the
It will be Kamrup Metro, my lord.
Metro. Accordingly, the petitioner herein is directed to approach the learned trial court, praying for regular bail. Also, in the event of such application being filed, the learned trial court shall consider the same in accordance, consider same on its merits in accordance with law. Also, with the above observations, the present bail application stands disposed of.
Item 25.
My lord, item number 25, we have received an intimation, my lord, from the investigating officer, my lord. Case that is lying before the trial court, my lord, lower court, my lord. So, my lord, he has paid for some time, my lord. to produce the
Actually,
case.
already a case, he's in the custody for more than 26 days, my lord. A case of theft, my lord. Already recovery has been made, my lord. He's a direct speaker, my lord.
Monday, my lord, immediately after.
Legally, your lordship says, my lord.
I've seen it.
The only,
Only those materials.
two meter, I don't really.
But the only thing is, this has become a norm these days. Can't help it.
But considering the status, my lord, he is a direct speaker.
Yes, Monday.
Monday.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the, as prayed for by Mr. RJ Borwa, learned counsel appearing, learned additional public prosecutor, lists this matter again on 15/7/2024. Mr. P. Kotoki, learned counsel for the petitioner, is present. See.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this case, the 22 in the behind bar, lordship, 22 days, lordship. The allegation is one
Yes.
twenty B, Lordship.
The case diary not the same, my lord.
Yes,
List this Mr. R.J. Borwa, learned counsel for the learned additional public prosecutor, appearing for the state submits that the case diary along with the medical report has not been received and accordingly prays that the matter be taken up on
16, Lordship, only Lordship.
19/7.
why?
Lordship, in this case, Lordship.
2/7 onwards, you are given time,
Yes, Lordship.
Then
17 or
18, my
16.
lord.
17.
Yes.
On 17/7/2024. Full stop. Accordingly, let the matter be listed on 17/7/2024 for production of case diary along with the medical report.
Obliged. Bail hearing AB, item 27.
Yes,
May I please, Your Worship? Section
We have received the case diary.
what is that?
But the injury report is, we have received the case diary along with the injury report, my lord, which reveals that it's a grievous injury, my lord. Sorry, I'm sorry, Rohit, this is not the case. My lord,
This is POCSO.
there are material against the, my lord, accused number 1, my lord.
Subsequent.
Because
No,
he had
with
no-
regard to 2 to 4.
2 to 4, my lord, there, my lord, 2 is the father, my lord. 3 is the brother. And my lord, accused
Para
number
4.
4, my lord, is the brother-in-law, my lord.
Hmm.
They all kidnapped the girl, kept her confined in a house for 5 days. Then, my lord, they forced the victim girl to marry with the accused number 1, the other accused person. And my lord, he committed, my lord, physical.
Whole incident is outcome. And
Hmm?
whole incident is outcome of child marriage matter. And
Now,
marriage
whether
was-
service is completed.
List
or
this
not,
matter again on 18/7/2024.
Item 28.
I don't want to reject it today. That's what.
Next, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Borwa.
My lord, 2 FIR, my lord, place of occurrence, the petitioner number 2's residence, my lord, sir, the informant's son. Page 11 is their FIR, page 17 is cross. FIR, my lord. My lord, place of occurrence at right night 9:30, my lord, there,
Where is that FIR along with that statement?
that was called for several times.
My lord, the other affair also called for, my lord, which was lost by the, my lord.
Huh?
by
2
petitioner,
FIRs
my
were
lord.
called for.
Yes. And this is the statement, my lord.
Both the FIRs have been received.
Yes.
What is the outcome?
What, my lord, as far as the, my lord, the FIR in question is concerned, my lord, in respect to item number 28.
What is his medical
medical
injury report?
grievous hurt, my lord.
Huh?
Grievous.
He's still in hospital.
Yes, he's still in hospital, my lord, and his statement could not be recorded, my lord.
My lord, my instruction is not hospital. I don't know, it is their information. Thing is
You
that-
get your instructions.
My lord, thing is that, my lord, at night, he was not in a good.
I'm not very. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter again on 16/7. You are here on 17/7. 17. 16/7/2024.
29.
My lord, I'm sorry.
Hey, what is this? Huh?
I'm sorry, item number 27. Now petition number 2 to 4, we are on interim. my lord.
Oh, item number 27, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
This is a case wherein the person's identity is in question. Shah Jahan, Ali
Yes.
Shah Jahan Muzumdar. Have you got, you were supposed to,
We have received the scan copy.
no, you were supposed to take instructions as to whether
No, my lord, there
Shah
is a-
Jahan Muzumdar is same person identified with different name as Shah Jahan Ahmed Muzumdar or Shah Jahan
My
Ali.
lord, Lordship may kindly peruse order dated 21/1/2023. I have flagged it, Lordship.
21/1,
2023.
where?
Scan copy, my lord, scan copy.
Okay. None has appeared.
Let it come up then.
None appears for the petitioner on call. For the ends of justice, the registry to list this matter again on 19/7/2024.
But in the order, say, my lord, it is mentioned, my lord, the
I have
Shah
seen
Jahan
it.
Ali alias Shah Jahan Ahmed Muzumdar, my lord.
No, that is by the court. You were supposed to take that instruction from the investigating officer.
My lord.
Order dated 19/6. Mr. K.K. Parashar, learned additional public prosecutor, has submitted that he may obtain instruction from the investigating officer whether the present petitioner Shah Jahan Mazumdar is the same person identified with different names as Shah Jahan Ahmed Mozumdar or Shahjahan Ali. If possible, have that also.
My lord.
He said, no, on 19, 19 they should be. 19-7. Yes.
Item 30. May I please your lordship? In 430 replications, injury report were called for. On last twice.
Yes.
Occasions, lords.
Yes, my
One
lord.
injury report is
Injury
that's a
report of
simple
my lord,
injury.
2 persons were injured, my lord. One is the person and another is his wife, my lord. Wife's injury report is there, my lord, but the husband's it is not here, my lord. And he visited the hospital, my lord, but it was not available to the IO, my lord.
Incident is of March
So
2020.
it was, so that will be perhaps required, my lord.
Mr. Deka,
It
Yes,
is,
lord.
one injury report is there.
That is simple injury. The
Simple
allegation-
injury, wife.
Yes, lord.
yes, yeah,
But
wife.
the down thing is
Yes.
the husband.
Yes, main blow is to husband. Medical report of বিসংগতি দূৰ কৰি পুনৰ some discrepancy occur in the, my lord, as per the
Last
report,
chance,
per the
17th.
report.
Last chance, 17th.
No.
Last chance, 17th. Okay.
17.
Mr. So
And it's on 19.
19. Learned additional public prosecutor submits that the injury report with regard to the wife of the accused, wife of the victim, a wife of
Two accused
Informant.
person, wife of the
Informant.
wife of the informant. No,
not he is,
not informant.
he is, madam.
So, FIR says, my wife.
Apunar Bishahi Mohammed, okay, of the informant
Yes,
has been received. However, the injury report of the informant is yet to be received. However, accordingly, as a last chance, registered to list this matter again on 19/7/2024 for production of the injury report of the informant.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. In the event, no, informant. Full stop.
Obliged.
31.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Case study was, please look on your lordship. FIR starts from page number 8, your lordship. Your lordship, the allegation is that two
Kia, 2 kettles will go in.
Three,
3
in a-
kettles.
3 kettles in a Baleno.
Baleno car and 2 in a
How?
Kia Seltos.
Kia. How?
It's well, it's.
My, I have a Kia.
Yes, madam.
Mine is, this is Sonnet. Mine is the other one.
Once I saw it in a TV, my lord,
Huh.
how it is, how taken out, my lord. Once I saw, my lord, in a such type of vehicle, my lord. It's a pathetic way, my lord, they transport this,
That means it can be done.
can be done, my lord.
You have got the CD.
Yes, CD is there, my lord. From his vehicle, my lord, 3 cow recovered, my lord.
So I'll have to dismiss this.
Yeah, your lordship, I'm the owner of the vehicle. of
I know
the-
you have put your registration card here.
Yes.
It's on record. I'll have to dismiss it. So have it on 16th. 16.
Obliged, lordship.
Cruelty to animals. Some sections this court finds it very difficult. Paragraph 4, page 5. Yes. Why the petitioner number 2, it became infructuous? She is no more in this world.
In the maintain the pendency of this case, my lord, willingly went to the police station to give the statement. Then he was
Arrested.
Yes, my lord. Willingly went to the police station, my lord. My lord,
Uh,
after the
In item 32, my lord, search sheet laid down.
So I said, file.
Lordship,
Appear.
lordship.
my lord kindly protection, my lord.
We'll extend this interim. There is no interim protection.
Release, my lord, already.
No protection.
My lord, in case of the water of flood.
No, you appear. You now charge it as file.
My lord.
What is the read for? They are shown as absconders or they are,
No, my lord, only the message come, search sheet not yet before us. It is only the message the search sheet has been filed.
Okay, now whether they have been shown as absconders or
That part I have no.
get that
instruction.
instruction.
That part.
Get that instruction. We'll have it on 16th, 17th. Huh? On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties. List this matter again on 17/7/2024. Learned additional public prosecutor shall produce a scanned copy of the charge sheet stated to have been filed in the matter.
Lordship.
Just find out whether he is absconder, because if he is an absconder and we remit him to the trial court, he may be put in.
Yes, then the lordship has to see that all.
No,
That will
just
be-
that charge sheet, it will be there.
That will be there.
That will be there. So we'll only have to see that.
33.
Restrict to await service report. Service report on respond number 2. Respond number 2 has not been received. Yes. Why?
Case diary received, Lordship.
Is there a defeat, but this
but
respond number
service
2,
Report is awaited, Lordship.
that is through you only.
Yes, Lordship was supposed to take, but the office said that it is not received.
You have it from your part.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor shall receive the necessary instruction from the officer in charge concerned as to the status of service of notice upon the respond number 2
Lordship.
and place the same before this court on the next date of listing. List this, register to list this matter again on
19. Lordship.
19/7/2024.
35.
Made clear, your lordship. FIR, your lordship, may kindly see.
There's a sufficient materials are there, man.
Against this man,
Yes, ma'am.
78-year-old,
Yes,
he was in the field.
yes, man.
Huh?
He was in the field. Man.
Oh.
Several-
But the
So
main.
let's
My
go-
sympathies were with you. Now there are material showing you in the field.
But lordship, may kindly see that one injury was there, 2 persons.
Forget it there. You might be the second person also. It's just the trial has, TIP has not been held till now.
But the nephew and his brother.
I know that. Your age and that statement of yours that there were 2 persons only involved in the attack.
No, there are.
I
3
was with
persons
you.
named in the FIR
I know that.
Look.
But only 2 were
involved.
both accused.
Yes,
Now, what is that vernacular thing? Let's
yes,
see.
that is,
I'm
that
not-
is why I was referring to page 15.
Read the vernacular.
Page number, paragraph number, line, third line, lordship, from top, অপরপক্ষ দয়ে।
সম্মান পড়া বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে তারিখে পূর্বে অনুমান বজাত কৰি নিম্ন আৰক্ষী অপৰাধীয়ে স্বামী read third line
Third line.
অপৰাধীয়ে
কেন্দ্র করে নিম্ন অপরপক্ষ দয়ে মোৰ স্বামী নুৰ হুছেইন বয়স 44 বছৰক লুৰ দ্বাৰে মূৰত ঘপিয়াই গুৰুতৰ ৰক্তাক্ত জখমী
list this matter as prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties. List this matter again on
Yes.
17th.
Yes.
I was with you when I read the brief. But now this revelation, I'll have to change my view. I don't want to dismiss it. Have it on 17th.
Yes.
Okay, Letha? This is a very new experience for me.
Yes.
But when I was in
But-
Arunachal, I had this, I got this hang of the things.
But we don't feel like it's a new melody.